What happens when we divide a number n by 0? This sounds a bit confusing. It is indeed confusing because it is not like dividing 10 chocolate chip cookies equally between you and your friend. But what happens when there is no one to eat the cookies? How many cookies now each person will get? What is the number of cookies that each person receives when 10 cookies are evenly distributed amongst 0 people at a table? It is a bit confusing. I checked out my calculator and saw this. I was pretty shocked to see this infinity sign there. But what this infinity sign is doing there? To understand this, let's take the simplest natural number, that is 1. Dividing 1 with something which is very small leaves us with a large number. Dividing 1 with something which is super close to 0 leaves us with an even large number. So it is now clear that if we will keep on decreasing the value of denominator, the value of the answer that we will obtain will keep on increasing. Therefore, we assume that if we will divide something which is very small, I mean 0, we will receive something which is infinitely large. But what will happen if we will divide 0 by itself? When we divide something which is very small with itself, we receive 1. Similarly, when we will divide something which is super close to 0 with itself, we will again receive 1. So 0 upon 0 should be 1. But wait, because if I equate 0 upon 0 with 2, I get a satisfactory answer. Because 2 times 0 is equal to 0. My calculator gave up when I asked him this question. So the conclusion is that a single value cannot be assigned to a fraction where the denominator is 0. So the value remains undefined. Because if there was some value x for 10 upon 0, then 0 times x should be equal to 10, which is impossible because 0 times something is 0. So the answer to the title of the video is that anything by 0 is undefined and meaningless.